Reform UK's leader tops the approval ratings and the party is in pole position. Britain is in the grip of a political earthquake, with Nigel Farage now a serious contender to become Prime Minister and the Conservatives facing an existential crisis, according to a new analysis. As many as 3 in 10 people would vote for Reform UK if an election was held tomorrow. Mr. Farage's party was the top choice among likely voters, with people who don't know how they would vote or would not say how they would cast their ballot removed, on 30%. This is higher than for Labour, 25%, the Conservatives, 18%, or the Liberal Democrats, 13%. Among these voters, support for reform was strongest among the 55 to 64 age group, 41%, and lowest among 25-34s, 19%. Worrying for the rival parties, Mr. Farage has the highest approval ratings of any party leader. 36% of respondents strongly or somewhat approve of Mr. Farage, more than Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer, 28%, Liberal Democrat leader Sir Ed Davey, 25%, or the Conservatives' Kemi Badenoch, 24%. The polling shows the depth of the PM's unpopularity. 52% of people strongly or somewhat disapproved of Sir Keir, a worse rating than for Mr. Farage, 39%, Mrs. Badenoch, 37%, or Sir Ed. The polling for True North advisors of more than 2,000 adults took place over May 2 to 5 in the wake of elections which saw Reform win the Runcorn and Helsby by-election, 2 mayoralties and 677 council seats. Callum Ross, a senior advisor at True North, said, "This latest poll underlines the scale of the political earthquake that is shaking UK politics, with Nigel Farage now a serious contender to become the next Prime Minister. The shockwaves from this ongoing surge in support for Reform UK will be far-reaching, not least for the Conservative Party, which is facing an existential crisis. The only saving grace for Mr. Farage's opponents is that the next election is likely to be several years away. However, unless something changes, the rise of reform looks set to shape the
cuando tú no estás conmigo. Cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito. Cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.